What is this link between estrogen dominance and weight gain? It's kind of a chicken or the egg situation. So, we store estrogen in fat, particularly abdominal fat. It's one of the reasons why, as we get into menopause, we get that little pooch in our bellies that is protective. It's there to make sure we don't lose a whole bunch of bone mass, muscle mass while we're going through menopause. So, that is natural. And I know so many of my menopausal women absolutely hate it. But what happens if you have an abundance of adipose tissue just all over your body? Adipose tissue stores estrogen, so you can end up with an increase in the amount of estrogen you have because you have an increase in fat. And then the opposite is true. You can actually give yourself an excess amount of adipose tissue if you are estrogen dominant. So much of this has to do with blood sugar control, oddly enough, and whether you're insulin resistant. So make sure your doctor knows what they're looking at when they're looking at your lipid panel, and stop just blaming estrogen, because most of the time the problem is coming long before that if we're getting to actual root cause.